1-to-1 on here, so this is a 1-to-1 trade for me. Okay. Okay.
YouTube live. All right.
I will. What up? What up?
All right, welcome you guys on YouTube. Now we try up TikTok. Let's see if it's gonna. Boom. Okay, cool.
Okay, here's my break even, guys. Risk-free trade on this.
Hey, what's going on?
Risk-free trade. So let's let this run. It's
Give me
been a
1
long
sec.
time
I'm
since
just
we hit
posting.
a trade on goal on NQ. Been a long time, huh?
Yeah,
The
definitely
good old
has been
days.
long
We're back to
time.
the good old days.
Wish we could turn back time to the
Gold be
good
moving
old
like
days.
yeah, it's been consolidating. There's a lot of fake outs on gold too. So
That's not.
anyways, guys, I'm also live, guys. I'm also live on YouTube, showing showing all the whole screen on YouTube, so you can see the other levels right here on the other side, and you could also subscribe to that YouTube channel. It helps out a ton, guys.
All right.
Also, I think there's a bit of a less delay
Load up. Right. Cool.
on YouTube.
All right.
There's
Welcome
a
in
bit
everybody.
less delay on YouTube.
Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to another Asia session trading session for us with you guys. Today
Link in
we are
the
going to be
bio. Link in
trading
the
gold.
bio. Channel name is Zypher Trades. Link is in the bio, guys. Link is in the bio.
A whole lot of chop on gold, but it's gold. In a very I'm in longs already. I'm in longs a long time ago. I already alerted it on the Discord. Secured 500 or almost 600 on the alpha accounts, and I'm gonna go ahead and trade top step.
T.
Yes.
I'm about to hit TP on NQ, bro.
W human.
I'm about to hit what? NQ? NQ, yo! NQ is moving. Okay. Okay, NQ, I see you. I see you, NQ. NQ.
GC, yes,
Dude,
this is gold. That's gold. GC is gold.
but the real question, will NQ edge us? Just like gold do? That's the real question. That is the real question. Do we get edged just like we do on GC?
I mean, wouldn't be the mission impossible, to be honest, to get edged. You have a history of getting edged.
Yeah. GC would, bro, look at this.
I'm gonna add 5
What's
more
going
coins.
on, NQ?
I'm on GC longs. See, what position are you in on NQ?
Longs.
Longs of W. We have 10 more
You're,
minutes, guys, for the new
you're
hour to
seeing
open.
GC longs?
Yeah, I understand the 30 is a little bit crazy. The hourly
I
is
was looking at the hourly.
yeah, but I'm expecting
Yeah.
pullback, maybe even to continue that 4-hour continuation.
Okay.
And then worst case scenario is like I take a small hit and then switch to NQ just because it's really in a consolidation range. But I'm buying it at this low, and I expect it to kind of come back up, consolidate, kind of the same thing that you mentioned. Put volume up on YouTube.
What
Guys, my
up?
bad.
What up?
You guys should be able to hear me fine on YouTube. What's going on
Damn.
YouTube? Man, yeah, my YouTube is fine.
You get more views with NQ. What do you mean? I do. What? I do?
It's kind of quiet.
How many
Oh, okay.
how many
I
people are
figured if I
watching on
just do
YouTube right
this,
now?
that'd be better. There you go. I hope that's loud enough. I'm in GC sales right now. Good. That's awesome. Sounds good to know. Cool, cool, cool.
Smash the like button, guys. Smash the like button.
I do see the hourly on gold.
What the fuck, man? Now NQ is going bearish. How is gold going? Shorts? Is gold going
No, it's
shorts?
just consolidating, bro.
No, still? Okay.
Yeah. I may add like 5 more, but I don't want to.
I can see the future.
Oh,
Oh, I
so I
guess
said I'm gonna be going for 1 to 1.5s. Yes, so this will be my TP.
okay, so I guess NQ doesn't edge. NQ just goes straight up to break even with no edginess. W's NQ.
I like how Turbo keeps it real. Take credit for my losses and my wins, boss. Both.
That's tough. That's tough.
Whereas as hell, 680 on the dot. If we come down to 680, then I'm out.
That's crazy work.
I'm risking just 500 on the trade. 5 more minutes till the new hourly pops open. We shall see. And I'm gonna be taking it a little bit slower. So regarding gold and just trading during Asia, I'm gonna be going for a 1 to 1.5 hour multiple trades, 1 to 1s around that. I took longs around open. Yeah, I've been in longs. I've already secured 600 on another account, and I'm up 2,000 I think right now on another account too. But we'll have to see. I'm still holding the other one. I'm just letting it ride out overnight. I'm probably just gonna hold it overnight. So if tomorrow I join in and I'm up like 10K, don't ask me why. You prefer to trade Asia session? No, not exactly. I mean, I trade every session pretty much. London, I traded over the phone on my phone, just kind of taking trades on my
Tomorrow.
phone. And then Asia,
Tomorrow.
I'm here, and New York, I'm in Discord. Are you trading gold? Yes, I'm on gold right now. Give me 1 minute. Pivot this real quick. Give me 1 second. Alright, let's try it like this because it's a little bit with lights. What's your SL, bro? My stop loss is 3680 on the dot.
Guys, drop a subscribe to that YouTube channel, guys. Subscribe to that YouTube channel.
Can you walk me through this trade and why you took it? Yeah, sure. You can get breakdowns on Discord, man. We have the recaps in there where we break down all the trades. I passed my funded yesterday. Why I can't get XFA now? Not sure. Reach out to Top Step. Reach out to Top Step.
YouTube name. Guys, link is in the bio for the YouTube channel. Link's in the bio. This is the YouTube's name right there. Link is in the bio, guys, though. For the YouTube
TPNSL.
channel, link is in the bio.
This is stop loss. This is take profit. Guys, for you guys on TikTok, can you please, guys, would help out a lot by going on YouTube and dropping a subscribe. It helps out a ton. It means a lot. Whereas Z is live right now on his YouTube channel and on his TikTok.
Are you on Discord with Turbo Trades? Yes, I am. We're in the same Discord together.
All right, 30 more minutes till the new hourly opens up. I'm expecting a good amount of volume to push up off the new hourly. And yeah, I'm just going for a 1 to 1.5. I'm going to be taking a little bit of a step back from targeting extremely crazy profits. Just going for the smaller RR to build up my confidence back up. And yeah, we'll see from there. We'll see it from there. All right. What price is your TP? 3686.5. 86.5 is where my take profit is sitting right now. How many cons? I'm in with 2 contracts, or 20 cons to be exact.
This could stop us out break even just because of this new hourly.
Get ready for the pop. Yeah, it's a new hourly, so
I really didn't expect us to push down from there.
we have about 2 more minutes, so
I trade gold, you guys say trading gold in Asia is wild. I trade NQ, you guys say trading NQ in Asia is wild. I'm confused here.
just do you, bro. My handsome Turbo W. We in here, chat. Welcome in, Anthony. All right. Get ready for a pop, either to the upside or to the downside, but we should have a nice move up. That's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting a nice move up. Price can, if it comes down to here, pretty much we'll just trade the range for the rest of the day. So I'll just probably trade consolidation from there. But we have 1 more minute till the new hourly opens up, and then we should see a nice good amount of volume step in. $150K or 50K. So if you go on the YouTube, you'll see that it's a 150K. Made about 10K when I traded with a bot overnight. Oh wow. Bots make 10K. Yeah, what kind of goofy ass?
For the guys in the YouTube, click on my channel, guys, and you will find that link for the
human
Discord
brain,
in
man.
there.
The human brain is what you need. No bot can beat that, bro.
I'm a very successful trader, and I know for a fact he is selling a course and scamming people. W's. Why are you in here?
Thank you. Have a good day. All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now. Let's see the volume.
Clapped volume.
Oh, wow. Ooh. Ooh.
Very successful traders definitely announce themselves.
15 ticks? Oh my god. We go break even? Alright. We go break even.
The fuck was that push? Really?
Just gotta go break even now.
And NQ does not move a bit. That's why you don't trade NQ during.
Is this seriously gonna push up just to stop me out on break even?
Damn. Torajik. Torajik. Successful traders looking for signals. Signal botting and calling me a scammer is insane work, by the way.
Hey, I have to follow my system, guys. I have to follow my rules. That's literally a part of my rules. Once I hit the fib, I gotta go break even.
I'm very successful. Joke. Buy or sell. Dude, just
which one was manipulation? The downside or up? Because it's gonna go back up. You're gonna be like, oh, that was not manipulation. That was distribution. Man, come on, bro.
Please. Successful people don't usually identify themselves. Ah, okay. So I guess the
Come on, man.
TikTokers, the entrepreneurs, and the real estate agents, they're all not
Came
successful,
from
huh?
TikTok, low-key like it here better. Yeah, it's a lot calmer here, right? Seriously, bro. Manipulation. This one manipulation. Oh, never mind, never mind, never mind. It's not manipulating. It's distributing. No, 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 no. It's
Common
manipulation.
sense.
Bro,
Common
pick
sense,
one and
man.
stick to one.
Good, good shit. Common sense. So much common sense. He said, he said, successful people don't announce themselves. Yes. So every person that does marketing for his own business, or a real estate agent, or an entrepreneur who's on TikTok showing off his product or anything, they're not successful, by the way. They're just faking it. You a G, broski. Common sense
Your account
is so,
size,
so
I'm
much
on 150K.
common sensing, bro. Don't let bro rage bait. He's not, bro. It's just funny. It's just funny because, the human brain, like God gave you
Hey, I
common
gotta stick to
sense.
my system. That
The
told me to go
human brain
break even
comes
here.
with common
Went
sense
break even,
already.
stopped me out, went back up. Oh well.
You know what I'm saying? And
I ain't
some
worried about
people
it.
don't have common sense. God already gave you common sense.
I ain't worried
You know
about
what I'm saying?
it.
You know what I'm saying? What time shit?
Yeah.
Time for the stuff. You know? It's a rough times. That's all I'm saying, bro. So yeah, you say Alhamdulillah,
You know
I'm
Z
for
didn't
from
get
skin.
circumcised, guys.
What the fuck are we talking about, bro? What? I bet. Okay, okay, you're on mute. Okay, thank God. Why are you talking? Oh
Huh?
man. Whatever, man. Do your thing. I thank God I had it on mute still.
How often do you trade? Could I copy you? Look,
No,
you copy me, don't complain about losses. None of what I'm
damn.
I'm taking is financial advice. I'm trading just the way I trade, right? So the biggest thing that I have, the biggest moment that I have is whenever people copy your trades and they complain about loss. Like, bro, you never even you what? Or and then if you don't post your trades, they're like, oh, this guy is again begging for, please go follow him, please, I beg you. No, I get that, bro. But then, okay, it's like there's some people that like will take a trade with me, and then they're like, oh well, I took an L, and then I'm like, okay, cool, like there's another one, and then I take the other one, and it's another. I'm like, oh, I won't take your other trades, and then I post one more, and bang, it hits, and they're like, bro, you never told me. I'm like, okay, well, I
Mm.
just won't alert every single trade. I'll only alert the ones that I believe in, right? That I'm actually very confident in. Oh, okay. I post those somehow, and they bank. Let's just say, I mean, I don't post it. It banks. Boom. Next thing I know is surprise, surprise. They're mad at me because I took a trade without alerting it, and I'm like, all right, well, what the fuck do I do here? Which one is it?
We don't hear you. Where's the what link, bro? Which link? What link are you asking for?
1 minute inside, break
The
it two
Discord
up.
link? It's on my channel, bro.
82. Put our stops below this. So far, it's just consolidation, like Z mentioned. So far, it is just deep consolidation, but I really do see this hourly pushing up a little bit more with aggression. So, oh, well, well, well. Okay, cool. If it comes down a little bit lower, then maybe I'll give it a shot for longs again. But it did kind of give us the strength from this.
Tweaking.
What you bought, I didn't buy anything. Can't see the
Uh,
numbers. I understand
music
it's
on.
because OBS is only letting me put my camera right here on the bottom right, and if I pivot it to put it like up here, it will just start crashing the whole fucking screen. It will start like doing this flashing thing. So I'm just putting it
It
down
is hard.
here on the bottom
I
just
see
for
the,
that.
but what other conferences? Turn on music, bro. If I turn on music, it's man, you're gonna hear somebody's yapping right now.
No, no, Z, no.
No, the
Here, I'll go deafen. That
polizia.
way they don't hear your goofy ass anyway.
W's.
Don't put your stops in dumb places again. He's gonna get mad. Shrink the camera size? I did, and it still doesn't let me, like, it's still, look, I'll try it right now. Okay, does it, no. Does it not work? No? No, it doesn't work. That's what I'm saying, it just stays the same, bro. Fucking annoying. 10 to 15, sometimes 20 contracts, just depending on the position that I'm taking. So far, this is going to push up nice. I mean, 3 minute, fell to 2 up. Let's see the 5 real quick. Kind of a doji style right now, but I do really see it breaking the top side, coming to these highs next. 15 minutes is nice for a continuation here. So, I mean, I would love to get filled here and then place our stops somewhere below this. So, with 15 contracts, I would stop out below this, but if only if it fills me in here. Or if this stays inside, if this 5 minutes stays inside, that'll be even better. But I doubt it because there's 2 minutes left. I strongly doubt it, but I mean, this is where I have my entries. There's the break. Isn't it going to break it 2 up? Yeah. This is definitely going to break it 2 up right there. And there it goes. Oh well. So the way I'm not gonna fill that. I'm not gonna fill that right now. I'm just gonna wait for a little bit, guys. I'm gonna see if there's another position to take. But I really do see this coming all the way up to here next. So it's just sad that it kind of came down to stop me, then kind of did that. But yeah. Damn, buddy, you should have stayed. Nah, man. Follow my system, bro. I'm not following a feeling. What my system tells me, I do. What my system doesn't tell me, I don't do. You want to see the lamp? Here's the lamp. That's the lamp. There's water. Good water. Fuck, it's all over the screen now. Oh god. What do you? Yo, I need you to call me. RIP Charlie, yeah, man. When you're opening a prop firm business, that would contradict everything I stand for, man. Any trader who has a prop firm and they're trying to teach people to be profitable, what the fuck? So proud of you. Thank you. Still got 3 or more though, so it's okay. Oh, cool. But you should in a different way. There's no different way about prop firm. The business of the prop firms is that people lose money, you make money. That's how it's supposed to work. If anybody's telling you like, oh yeah, don't, you know, I mean, I don't know, man. Just wouldn't make sense, to be honest with you. Alright, so 30 broke a 2 up. Hourly is going to come up for the 2 up as well. It's going to break the 4 hour. I know it, man, but just can't take it. There's no entries for me. There's literally no entries for me. There's no entries for me to push up to those highs. For me, I understand the risk. I understand that. I get what you mean by like understanding the risk on the positions and stuff like that. But there's people that literally have prop firms. If you have a prop firm and you're trying to educate people or just share your opinions on how to become profitable in the market, etc., then you can't just contradict yourself by doing that. That pretty much goes against everything, right? So if you're making money from the market, then you can't open a prop firm because the prop firm space, they're supposed to blow their account so then you can make money. That's the same way. That's the reason why I don't have any affiliates like linked down here or some shit like that. Because it's like, oh, use my affiliate code, whatever. I mean, I have one if you guys want one. Sure. If somebody asks me for it, absolutely. I don't have no issues here. Here's my affiliate code. Get that discount, right? But I don't advertise it like, yeah, buy Alpha Futures account using my code or whatever the fuck. Because what? For me to make money, it's you got to blow your accounts. What's your entry requirements? So pretty much we have the V shape that I'm already looking for. It's just the little claim right here. Now if we can get a pullback to push up higher, then that'd be awesome. But as far as right now, I'm just gonna have to kind of wait. There's no setups for me. It's just purely consolidation right now. Just legit consolidation. Even the 4 hour is still inside, so we have about 47 minutes left on this 4 hour. So T is just a gooner. W. So ZZ made money when I blow my account. W human. Tragic. It's okay, man. Can you be nice to check MNQ, please? Sure. I'm gonna be very nice and check MNQ for you. How is MNQ? Interesting MNQ. I mean, it's not bad to be honest. I just don't trade NQ during Asia, so I'm okay. There you go. Checked NQ. No problem. Gold shooting up for early. Yeah, I'm in a swing already, or just an overnight position. Ignore the trash can back there, guys. I don't mean to have it there. I'll just have it like this, actually. All right, are we not gonna like pivot the camera? Maybe if I double click on it so I could lock my face, and then I just move this way a little bit. Here, I'll just move like this. Boom. All right, cool. That way I just have it here. That way it's locked in on me and I could read you guys' messages and see. Holy Edge. Yeah, it is what it is, bro. Hey, what's going on? I saw your ticket. I'm gonna look over that today, or your message. I saw it today. I'll look over it here in a little bit. I apologize. I was just really busy earlier. RIP Charlie, man. RIP, man. Damn, dude. It's crazy, man. Crazy. Even though I'm not gonna sit here and say like, you know, he's a great guy. In my opinion, fuck no. But no one deserves death, man. Nobody deserves death. Bro trading futures in Asia session. Yeah, man. Papi chulo, what the hell? What's the most you made payouts not real? I mean, what the most you paid out, is it real? What the hell is English, please? How was he not good? I'm not saying again. The reason why I say he wasn't a good person because of the way that he used to talk about Palestine and the people in Gaza and everything like that. So it's like, okay, yeah, sure, and he's pro-Israel. You know, he has pretty much supported what's happening right now with Trump and the immigration stuff that's going on all over the US. I mean, to a certain extent, I can kind of agree, but I don't want to get into politics too much because I'm not a politician. But at the end of the day, yes, absolutely, he was pro-guns, etc. But there was a lot of fucked up shit that he said, a lot of messed up shit that he said. But again, nobody deserves death. Nobody. So, is learning how to trade worth it? I mean, to me, it's absolutely worth it. It's worth it for sure. Yeah. If you're asking me for my opinion, then yeah, I loved it. We have a 5-minute shooter here on the on gold. Now the problem is I see gold pushing up to this high, but I do want to maybe scalp it, move down to here. I'm just going for 1 to 1.5s. I'm not going for anything crazy. But as far as right now, even the 3 minutes kind of showing that. The 15 is just popped open, so no, I'm not gonna take it. This is a fake out right here. This is a fake out. Is this a challenge or an express funded? It's an express funded, as you see down here, probably. It says express 150K. Have you ever used EMAs? What's your opinion on them? Good. Moving averages are fine. I just haven't really used them as much. Not saying that they're not good. They're fine. I just haven't used them. You know, personally, like I don't have anything for them. Personally, just using the VWAP. I have that, and that's it. But yeah. I want to start trading. What do you recommend I do? Go on YouTube, man, and consume a bunch of free content. Literally consume as much free content as you can. That's at first. Then pick a style of trading that you like, whether it's supply and demand, ICT, whatever the fuck. Lock in on it, and stop fucking. Don't just strategy hop. Lock in. Give it 6 months. If it doesn't work in 6 months, switch. If it doesn't work again, 6 months, switch. It's gonna take time, but as it's better than you strategy hopping every single month or every single day to a new strategy, a new strategy, and you haven't even fully committed to one. So commit to one, fully give it your all. If it doesn't work, switch. The next one. If it doesn't work, 6 months minimum. 6 months minimum. And if it doesn't work out, switch. Always you give yourself some space, some time. Let the market settle in. It's a liquid market. You need to be liquid with it too. You can't be just stuck to a bias or a specific trading strategy, whatever the fuck. You know, you have to pivot. Ping pong strat go crazy, especially when I revenge trade. Go talk to Z about that one. He loves it. That's his like type of style of shit. But yeah. Yeah, you could say that it's a 15-minute supply. I mean, I'm with you, and I absolutely see that, but I'm just very bullish on gold right now with the volume that we're pushing up with. But since we're not moving anywhere, I'm going to give it about 10-15 minutes more, and then if there's nothing happening, I'm probably going to close up for the day. If there is nothing happening, then I'm going to have to like go for the day, to be honest with you guys. Because the 5 minutes showing weakness, the 15 minutes is little strange. And yeah, how come you can only request 50% payout? That's on alpha, sadly. On top step you could request also 50% payout, but after you go up to live, then you could request the full amount. And the only reason why they have that way is so that you could build up a buffer, and also so they could make money too. You got to keep in mind that it's a prop firm. They're going to care about themselves more than you. As much as like I'm trying to be as honest as I can without getting myself in some fucked up shit, but it's a prop firm, man. They're not gonna give you all your money just because you made $3,000. You don't deserve all 3,000. They're gonna fucking try to keep some for themselves, especially if you request a payout. They want you to have at least quote unquote half your drawdown built in case you lose or whatever the fuck. And then, you know, a lot of people, they get that one payout, then they blow the account. They don't get the second payout, and that's it. Yeah. Yeah, you do. If you made it, that's fair to take it. What? What are you talking about, brother? So far, it's just ping pong price action, honestly. So it's gonna come down to here. I'll look for longs here, but as far as right now, I'm just kind of waiting. This is gold, yeah. If I give trading a year, could I make a lot of bread? I mean, it depends. There's a lot of people that gave trading a year and lost so much money. And there's people that, yeah. That literally do it in 6 months, they make money. You said you don't deserve the whole amount according to Top Step. I think that's ridiculous. It's not that you don't deserve the whole amount. It's just that they want you to keep building a buffer, quote unquote. So it's like, so if I made 5K, I can only get 2.5, yeah, basically. But if you make 10K, then you get 5K, and that's the maximum amount of payouts you can get. So this account is up $10,000 right now, which I requested 5K off of it. Do you have full access if you go live now? Nope, you do not. Why hide the balance? It just messes with my head, man. Like, genuinely speaking, it just messes with my head. Seeing that number up there, like, just having so many numbers, it just fucks with my head. So I'm not doing it, like, to hide it from you guys or anything like that. I'm just, my head. Just in my head. Do you hit London session? No, not as much. W Turbo WW. I blow 7 expresses without getting a payout. Holy. Yeah, you need some. You need to sit back real quick and just look at what the fuck you're doing, boss. Damn. 7 funded? Without getting a payout? It's crazy work. Tragic. I mean, it happens, that's fine. But, like, for example, this account right here with Alpha. So far, here, let me see if you guys are able to see it. Because I know with TikTok, it's a little strange. Sometimes it's messy. And, you know, it doesn't fully show it. But, yeah. So I got payout on this account. I literally posted it. You guys can go on the. Don't go through me. You can go to the Alpha fucking Futures Discord and you'll see my payout in there. I don't have to speak for myself. You can go to them and ask them for it. But I requested what was it? 20, basically 2,500 across 2 accounts. So far no losing days. Just so far so good. So far so green. Literally, this the only reason I didn't take a trade this day is obviously because I was taking the payout. So yeah. Have you ever been on leaderboards? I hope not. I got the amount of my account. Alright, I won't show everything in my account, obviously, or my total balance. But I will show the alpha. Here, I'll take a screenshot of it. Give me a second. See all transactions. I'm sorry, I don't want to share everything, but I'll just share the alpha account. There you go. For the ones that say, for the ones that hate, here's payout, proof. Middle Eastern style. Yay! How much is that? 2,500 in 5 days. It's 2,500 in 5 days. Hey, do that 4 times, 10K. Just saying. But now you give me motivation to start. I'm telling you, I'm not hiding. Like, the thing is, a lot of people won't show you what I just showed you, by the way. A lot of people would never fucking show you what I just showed you. A lot of people will not go and show you what I just showed you. Like, they will not go in there and literally be fucking transparent, open about showing you the payout proof, anything like that. Here. That's certificate number 1. Payout. This is number 2. Payout. And it's literally on the Alpha Futures Discord. It's not through me. This is from the Alpha Discord. You guys can go in there, react to it. Whoever is in the chat right now on TikTok and YouTube, go react to it on Alpha Futures. If you're in their Discord, go react to my thing. Let me see how many people see it. It's literally the second one before it. Do you recommend me watching TJR Bootcamp? Yes, but do not replicate what he's doing. Do not replicate what he's teaching you. Yes, learn it, but don't replicate. Do they post everyone's payout? No. You pretty much post it on there, and like if it's a scam or something, they'll just restrict it immediately. But let me check. Do they actually show? Let me see. Do they show like alpha? I mean, I don't know, but I have pretty much all the numbers for you if that's what you're looking for. Here. Alpha Futures. Join Alpha Futures. Okay, this is Alpha Futures. I'm going on their platform. Okay. Here. For the ones that hate and the ones that can't show payouts, I'm about to piss y'all off. Logging in. I'm signing in right now. Give me 1 sec. I'm just signing in. For the ones that are like legit just sitting there hating whatnot, they're about to get bonked on. Cause you can't show this. Poor baby can't show a payout. Oh. They can't show a payout. Oh my god. Alright. So, payout history. Okay, these are all the payouts that I got. I don't want to be sharing all of them, obviously. But you guys can obviously see. That way you guys can read it. PFS, I don't know what the fuck that means. ACH, 1250, 1250 across 2 accounts. 90-10 split, obviously that's what 90 stands for. That's what the 90 stands for. 90 stands for. And then this is the account numbers. And then this is the date, which was yesterday. And then you guys can see that it's approved both payouts. Right? And then for regarding the bank account, it's literally right here. I don't want to share too much, but actually I'll just take a screenshot again. I'm just taking a screenshot because I don't want to show my purchases and what I purchased and whatnot. Boom, on the bank account. There it is. Deposited into the bank account. And then go billing real quick. What do you mean? Like go on billing? Oh no, I ain't showing my bro's talking about show CC. Nah. You're not slick. and then what else? Fucking, is there like a channel? I'm gonna ask them. And then yeah, I guess this shit, these two that they sent me, the certificates, which is also here. I'm just waiting, by the way. I'm watching gold. There's nothing right now. There's nothing happening. And then if I go to achievements, you guys can obviously see how many. Oh wait, I don't want to show this payout. Actually, this is a different payout. I don't want to show that payout. I'm sorry, but okay, I'll just show. These are the both payouts right here from the actual Athletics. So yeah, whoever said I don't show payouts, there, get dookied on. So in the past 5 days, you showed enough. Yeah. Yeah. I'm watching right now, but there's nothing going on, so I'm just watching right now. The people that they're still getting a payout. Why learn it but not replicate it? What do you mean? I do. Entered longs at 3683. Yeah, I don't want to buy in too high at this high right here. I would want pullback and then look for it. I mean, this could have been not bad of pullback, but I just wasn't trusting this fully because it was pretty bearish and then this kind of flipped, so I can't. But this is the 4-hour high where I would target. If it breaks this high, then I'd have no entries. So yeah, bro, mentoring. I have a Discord. I don't mentor like that. I have a mentorship, me and Z, but we don't have that. We don't have any chairs right now for that. Yeah. Said learn the stuff from TJR bootcamp, but not replicate it. Oh. So not learn it. Consume the content, but don't learn it, because some concepts, like for example, liquidity sweep, right? We see those as what we call them in the strat as just levels of reclaim, right? Or for example, order blocks, which I think he talked about. I'm not sure. I've never watched it. So let's just say he talks about order blocks. Good. Like that's something that you should know because it's just supply and demand levels. So I think it's good to watch it, but to replicate it, because the concepts that he teaches or the strategy style, I'm okay, man. One minute shooter. Yeah. Crazy work too. Crazy, crazy, crazy. He makes millions though with that strat. I don't know, man. I mean, if you think so, bro. If that's what you think, man. Again, not shame talking him, not saying bad thing about him, but millions, crazy work. Color code of your candles here. TJR makes money selling courses. None of my business. Nothing I have to talk about that. Does not involve me. Bro, what happened to ZZ? What happened to ZZ? Let me check. Z? Did you get restricted?
Restricted?
Or banned or
No.
something? Oh, never mind.
No.
Oh, never mind. I was just asking. Never mind.
All right.
He's not on TikTok. He is on his other account. If you're in the Discord, you will see it. Not true, big dog. I mean, yeah. Again, nothing to talk about. Nothing interests me about another man. Sorry. That's just... okay, I won't say that on TikTok. Never mind. Can you summarize your strategy for me real quick, please? It's pretty much as simple as this. So we look for... if you're looking for longs, looking for a push down, a push back up, which creates this whole V right here, which is basically a 2 down, fail 2 down, 2 up, and then what you're looking for is pull back to continue pushing up. That's the strategy I trade, basically. Or if you're looking for shorts, then it's basically a push down, basically like a push down, push right back up, push down, right? So let's just say price is bullish, or let me draw it like this. So let's just say price is pushing up. It's in a bull trend, freaking like this, some shit like that, right? This is what bullish trend would look like, right? And then what I am looking for is for this. So we get a knife down, right? A pull back up, fail this high, push lower. So I'm just looking for basically either this, and then it pushes up, right? And then it fails that by creating coming down, back down. It doesn't have to be right here at this equal low. It could just be like something like this, and then a push up, failing this high to push down, right? And that's what I kind of look for. That's for shorts. So I trade what we call, at least I call it because it simplifies it for me, V shapes, just V shape. That's basically on the 5 minute time frame what it's doing right now. That's why I said I'm waiting. That's literally why I said I'm waiting. We look at that using the strat. So for example, the strat should show us fail 2 ups, fail 2 downs. Like this is a fail 2 up, but it's also a 3 bar. So I cannot take this as an entry. Where's ZZ? He's live on his account, his other account, his alt. Go in the Discord, you will see it. He posted it. You pair with ICT? Fuck no. I do not trade ICT. In the 5 minute time frame, yeah. Wait. What if I do this? Oh, cool. Okay. Where in the world do you live? I live in America right now. Free Coco, free Coco. He is ICT King? That's crazy. Are you using 90 May? What's the blue indicator? This is just VWAP. Do you trade the Z sauce also? Nah. I don't trust it, man. To be completely honest with you. Because it hasn't been tested, so. What a insane hourly. What a crazy hourly. I'm gonna look for the reversal of the doom basically off of this, because this is the pullback I was looking for. So in here we tapped into this level. Let's see how it does here, and I'll look for a entry. This will be my last trade, so I'll be risking a little bit heavier on it. So risking about $1,000 to make back about 2,000, maybe even more. Or actually, my bad. I'm going for 1 to 1.5, so no, I can't do that. So risking 1,000 for 1,500. All right, we have a failed 2 up on the 1 minute time frame right here. I mean, failed 2 down. Sorry, failed 2 down. If it pushes a 2 up, I'm in for longs. All right, I am in for longs. Actually, I do want to go in with one more con. There you go. Stops will go right below this low that we initially made right here. And I'm targeting a 1 to 1.5, so. What would this be? That's a 1 to 2.4. 1 to 1.5 is pretty much like here. So just about 3 points. 38 points to be exact. What's stop loss? 3680.4. 3680.4 is my stop loss. I repeat, guys, 3680.4 is my stop loss. We are currently up 10 ticks. Let me go ahead and put this style. Where's the style? Well, can I not put in the middle? I guess not. Alright, I'll just put it like this. I hope that helps. And then take profits is sitting at right over here. You think Charlie's death could affect the market? I mean, it's potentially yes, because he was a big influence on why Trump got elected. So potentially, yeah. Like, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it does, but yeah, I mean, I genuinely would not be surprised. If it does, I would not be surprised. So yeah. 8:40. 5 more minutes for the new 15 to pop open. We have a 3 bar on the 15. Paper trade or not? I mean, if you don't know the answer to that question by watching the live, then I'm not gonna answer that, man. Yeah, bro, I'm trading Buckcoin. Shit was crazy, bro. It was yeah, man. It's insane, dude. It's insane, man. No one deserves to die like that, bro. Nobody deserves death, man. Genuinely speaking, nobody deserves it. So right here, this is kind of what I'm looking for, a continuation off of a 2 up. But so far, nothing. It's almost at a sell, man. So give it a sec. Let's see if it pushes these lows, then I want to get out. So what market is that? This is gold. Let me check the hourly. So it did break a 2 down. On the last 18, it broke a 2 down. Interesting. $680.4. 680.4 is my stop loss. Triple B, you can't show a payout, silly. You can't show a payout, silly. You can't show a payout, silly. Fight fire with fire. Take profit is at 86.7. 386.7, but it's coming near SL right now. So if it breaks these lows, then I'm out. I'll look for maybe a reacher, but not now. Pretty much saw it on the 3-minute time frame. I just was not expecting this. So I saw it on the 3-minute. I want to see it bounce back up. But so far, it's kind of refusing that, so we'll have to see. The camera is just a Osmo DJI. Drawdown King? Yeah, maybe. Maybe Drawdown King. I might be the king of drawdown. Alright, I hope that light maybe brings up a little bit of brightness into the screen. Yeah, it's the Osmo Pocket DJI, yes. I was using my Canon, but I stopped using it just because this one is a little bit more better with camera and I don't have to focus and do all that every freaking time. This is just cleaner, so I just decided to use that. What's your go-to contract size? I think 20, 25, depending on the balance that you have on your account. Depends on the balance that you have on your account, man. It really just depends on that, so. Like your other cam looks better as a professional. Oh, maybe I should use that one then. All right, 3 more minutes and then the next 15 will pop open. This is the last 15 before we get the new hourly. So this is going to like have good volume. Last 1 minute right here. So if it pushes down to these lows, I mean, we get stopped out in the next 15 more than likely. I'm looking for that for solo trader. I'm aiming for a VWAP claim, like basically a VWAP bounce, but so far it's not giving us the weakness at all. If you guys are on the TikTok, please make sure you guys drop a follow on YouTube. It helps out a ton. All right, did we get stopped? So the only reason I'm trying it here is obviously because the bounce. All right, now the new 15 popped open, so let's see. This 15 could knife straight down to come down to these lows. I just don't see that, so. Free Palestine, brother. Alpha or my funded futures? I haven't traded my funded futures. I haven't traded it yet, to be honest. Why did you start with social media? I mean, I think a lot of people are like trading on social media and stuff and not really like, there's not a lot of influencers that trade the strat. So when I came across a lot of the TikTok space, I guess in the trading industry, I noticed not a lot of people trade the strat. I was like, what the fuck? Like, let me at least bring this strategy to life, show everybody how it's kind of traded. And yeah, a lot of people liked it, so here I am. It's looking like we're gonna hit stop loss on this. Oh. It's looking like this is gonna be a stop out. What was that audio? What the hell? How long have you been trading? For a very long time now. Trading for 9.5 years, now almost 10, but profitable for 4. So, all right, this candle breaks the 2 down, we're pretty much out. All right, we're out. Well, what did we go about this in a wrong way? Waiting for pullback, push into this. I mean, okay. So pretty much a demand zone and also a 3-minute kind of failed to down was the reason for the entry. So this was why I wanted to enter into the position. And we entered in somewhere in this candle, obviously, as it's being formed. So I expected pullback to continue pushing back up, but price just decided to come down. Turbo, do you have a Telegram channel? No, I do not have a Telegram channel. Why do you still use Express accounts? Because why not? Rejected off FVG. Come on, bro. Lock it, man. Rather than... Gold is in a sell, bro. I mean, yeah, sure, man. Whatever you say, bro. If that's what you see, that's what you see. Turbo, what do you suggest going mini size for Fresh Express? So Fresh 50K, I would maybe do 4 to 5 micros and then just kind of go in that. You don't believe in smart money concepts? No, man, I trade dumb money concepts. Did you say this was your last trade? So I think this is gonna be my last trade. Unless there's something really, really nice to take, then I'll take it. But at the moment, right now, just kind of how consolidating, I mean, I would want to take a position, but just consolidation. We have an inside bar, we have a mother bar, so new 4-hour pops open here in a little bit, so yeah. Yeah, I don't think fading me is a good way, man. I hate people like that, man. How do I... See, if I knew how to ban people, I would have banned you by now, but I don't know. So I'm not going to give it too much time. But yeah. What was wrong with my strategy? So pretty much nothing, really, just a invalid trade, basically pretty much a fake out more than anything. This would be more of a pullback than actual continuation of a pump up. This would be pullback basically for the shorts. So but I don't see that. This is obviously a hammer, so we would want to take it off the break to continue pushing back up. But price broke it, immediately reversed. Gold kind of does that a lot. So yeah. Gold is weird, yeah. Alright, guys, for me, I'm done pretty much for the day. Not really worth it, to be honest. It's really just not the best. Not been moving the best, so I'm probably going to alert a trade if I do take it. And then, yeah, I will see you guys back on during New York. Alright, everyone.